We have seen artificial intelligence enable computer programs to solve complex problems. Ever wondered how these machines are able to handle such complex tasks, like image recognition so easily? Well, they use artificial neural networks to do so. Now, what are artificial neural networks? A neural network is a type of machine learning model that copies the way our brains work. It's made up of interconnected nodes, or neurons, which work together to solve complex problems.
Imagine we have a neural network designed to distinguish between pictures of cats, dogs, and horses. Initially, the network doesn't know anything about these animals. We start by feeding it a bunch of pictures, some of cats, some of dogs, and some of horses. Each picture is represented as a bunch of numbers that describe the colors of the pixels in the image. As the network looks at these pictures, it makes guesses about what it's seeing. Since it's just starting, its guesses are pretty random and usually wrong. For instance, it might think a picture of a cat is a dog, or vice versa. But with each guess, we tell the network whether it was right or wrong. If it was wrong, we also tell it how wrong it was. This feedback helps the network adjust its guesses a little bit. For example, if it guessed a cat when it was actually a horse, it might learn to pay more attention to certain features, like the shape of the ears or the size of the body. Over time, as we show it more and more pictures and provide feedback, the network starts to get better at recognizing the differences between cats, dogs, and horses. It learns to focus on important details in the pictures that help it make the right guesses more often. Eventually, after seeing enough examples and getting enough feedback, the network becomes quite good at correctly identifying cats, dogs, and horses in new pictures it hasn't seen before. This is how the neural network learns from input pictures of cats, dogs, and horses.